Hello from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swenson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about Campaign 20. And notice the gorgeous colors, blues, and that's what I have on today. This is that fun, it's a dress, but I'm kind of tall, so it is more of a top for me. And in the catalog it says to wash and dry. I would suggest just washing and line drying. Washing and cooled and line drying, because it's a perfect length for a top. On the front cover is our new Hydrofusion line, and that line has all kinds of fun things. We have, to start with, we have the cleansing water, and it's one that you use, put it on a cotton ball and cleanse your face with it, and it'll really clean it, even do your eye makeup. And then we have, and that is $7.99 introductory. These are all going to be introductory prices. Then we have an in-shower mask. Does that sound cool or what? You put it on at the end of your shower, or you can put it on the sink if you don't want to do it in the shower, with a small amount in your hand, and you put it on and you just let it be, and you just leave it on. And then we have, and that is $14.99, the in-shower mask is. And then we have the replenishing serum, and it is one that has just a little pump thing on it. It is one for day or night, and it's you put it on, and it is right after that you can put the gel cream on. Oh, $22.99 for the serum, $17.99 for the gel cream, and they can be used separately, but they work even better together. So, and then we also have it's a deep puffing eye serum, and it is $17.99. Just a little bit goes a long way. And notice this tip. It's a ceramic tip, and so you can apply it with that, and you just kind of put a little bit on and let it totally absorb in your skin day and night. Or if you need a little pick-me-up during the day for your eyes, have the lines and stuff showing, you can put some on as needed during the day. So all of this wonderful stuff. If you're wanting the entire set, ask me, and I'll maybe give you a special discount on that. And also, everybody that ordered in Campaign 19, I ordered samples in of the couple of the different products that we have samples for, and you'll get a sample of one of those in your bag. I always put samples in on my brochure and on my orders. So always something new and fun. Our new Bath and Body lines. We have 3 different smells. This one is pumpkin souffle. This one is salted caramel, and autumn berry twist. They all come in body sprays. This size, nice size. I use body sprays for wound sprays too, but $6.99 introductory. And then we also have body creams. Look how awesome of a size this is. Introductories for $5.99. Comes in all the different smells. Then we also have shower gels. Nice size of that as well, and it's one that has the top, so it's just sits in it. $5.99 as well. Why not get the whole set? Great gifts for the fall. And talking about fall, we have lots of fall candles. This one is Falling Leaves. Yeah, they're going to be doing that. It's like kind of like, yesterday was like chilly. Today is like almost night, because yesterday was like maybe 70. I think it was like 68 or something like that. And then spiced pumpkin. That one reminds me of definitely a winter kind of a just warm, feel good kind of a food. We also have pumpkin apple cider, apple pickling, mandarin and clove, spiced pear, wildflower honey, blackberry jam, vanilla creme brulee, campfire s'mores. $11.99 a piece. They are the 3-wick ones, so remember, if you burn them all at the same time, My wicks, it burns down to nothing, so I don't forget to tell you about this. Look at this awesome set. Oh, and if you have a $40 purchase this time, you get this set for $10. It's valued at $33. And notice these fun earrings in there. You can take off the, they are beautifully, I mean, the cut of that CC is fantastic. Oh, thanks for jumping on, Kimber. And, but the edge of it you can take off, so you can have just the stud if you want, and but $10 with a $40 purchase. And we always have fun things in our living section. And the living sections are now in the brochure, and this time we have all kinds of fun stuff. But this one, these little pumpkins, because pumpkins are big this time of the year, but they are actually salt and pepper shakers. But I think they would be great for just decorations. And they're like $9.99 for this set. If you have not tried our Spiralign, I strongly suggest it. If a school getting started, guess what? You might have to gain a little bit more energy because the kids are going to be full of energy when they get home from school or totally dead tired. And this is the way to get that pick me up to keep up with them, because you're going to have all those after school activities to go on. We have the lip glosses, the lip glows. This seems like a really dark color. And I have had it sitting on my desk for I don't know how long since I ordered it. And I thought, ooh, I think this is not quite my color. And I really like it. That's what I have on. It's just a really awesome color. And they are, I think, $5.99. And brows. This is kind of a fun little one. It comes with a brush, a two-ended brush. And I just dropped it. And this side is, this here side is the color. And there's 4 different colors that it comes in. So depending on what color your hair and brows are. And then this one is if you have those flyaway kind of brows, this helps get those brows tamed down. And $6.99 on sale this time. We have all kinds of makeup and stuff on sale. I told you that I'm gonna have to try this. I did try this. This is like so awesome. This is the kids line, but it's the triple threat 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and detangler. And with all my curls, it does get tangled really easily, and this works wonderful because I mean there is no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no alcohols, and no dyes. So it's really soft and gentle on your hair, and when you have curls, it does. Perfumes. We have all kinds of perfumes on sale. This one is our Absolute, and it's our strongest perfume because it is a parfum, meaning that it has the most oils in it that you can get, and so it'll last a lot longer. And all the ones that today, tomorrow, Daydream, all those different ones, they're normally $30 a piece. Mix and match 2 for $38. And remember, when you put your perfume on, put it on, spray it. Do not do that. Why I always say that is fragrances nowadays are many ingredients. When you first put it on, your top note, and then after you've had it on for a bit, your base, your mid note, and then once it mixes with your body chemistry, your base note, and all the ingredients are coming out the way they're supposed to. So do that. Make your fragrance happy. And I showed this last time, but I have to tell you, I am one of those. I love all these products, but I have never tried this side. This clipper is on the side instead of on the top. This is like the most awesome clipper for toenails. If you have never tried one, this is like, and this set is like so awesome of a deal. You get all of this for $4.99 in campaign 20. So yeah, and then on here, on to this. You may have to show you things I forget. This necklace, all kinds of fun little CZs mixed in it, and it comes with these earrings. You can mix and match it this time, buy one, get one, or if you want just one thing, we would back order because last time they were on a special introductory price. So yeah. And remember, you can always back order stuff from a couple campaigns. And I just recently got this top. It was kind of a fun peasant top. And Avon does not forget detail. And look at the detail in it. And it has kind of a nice little fun that. And it is just really soft and nice. And then bright. This was in the catalog. It's a dress with this fun dress. And on the bottom it has this little ruffle. And notice this. This is kind of cool. I mean, not too many comes with this look built in. So that's kind of, if you have a wedding or something to go to, or if you're going to go to those tropical islands, would this be the funnest dress ever for that? Yes. That's all really nice, right? And in the catalog this time, we have these awesome tops. And because we are going to be getting warmer, it has a nice, I like the way the cut of the neck is. And notice this. It's a long sleeve, but it has buttons on the sleeve. Like I said, they don't want to skip on detail. And this on top comes in, I'll show you, comes in like 4 different colors. Are they fun or what? And they are $19.99. And these capris, I was just totally blown away. They come in the gray. It's kind of has a little bit of a, it's not solid. It's kind of has a little bit of a, like gray and white and black kind of, but it's just a nice, but then we have a solid black, and it has a nice band on it. And then notice this, on the edges of, you see this? On the, it has just, they have like a little ruching on the ends of the legs. But yeah, but I thought these were kind of cool. And who doesn't like a comfy pair of pants? So yes. And this time of the year, I started telling you this, I'm like a broken record. We have Herbie the Hedgehog, and he is my fundraiser item for the homeless children here in Rapid City. I take donations for him, as well as if you have any material to make totes to put him in. But any kind of dollar donations for that. And I did make a flyer, so if you're wanting one that tells about my ones in the past, and that's what last year's looked like. And then on this side, I made a little spot where you can actually fill in how much you want to donate, so that I have that. And this is what Herbie looks like. Isn't he like an awesome size? Great time to, for a pillow, cuddle and snuggle, or just play with him. I think he's just fun. So thanks much for stopping in and staying with me. If you have any questions, always feel free to call or text me, Facebook message me, all the different ways. I have faxes even. So thanks much. Have a great day. Faye Swenson, Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter. Oh, these are the flyers that go with campaign 20. And remember, you can always back order from campaigns 18 and 19. Have a great day.